prepare your onion. You're going to slice it, cut it in half first, then slice it. And then using a toothpick,
to hold it.
today in Kiyoko's kitchen, she is going to make chicken katsu and then some fried shrimp in a similar manner and some fried onion, all using the same technique. The onions are really good. Shred the cabbage, put it in water. Using a mandolin.
This one cut in half. Not all the way, maybe halfway cut it.
So you can open it up nice and thin.
Okay, shrimp like this, cut right here. Cut shrimp like this. The lamprey you cut the back side. About the blue line and smash it so you don't curl up and fry. Okay, put the flour both sides and tap it to make the flour. Okay, and you put the egg.
Coat it in flour, dip it in 2 eggs with about 2 tablespoons of water added.
And push it.
Put it in panko,
Yeah. And the panko.
cover it.
One more.
Now we're coating the shrimp in flour, just like we did the onions. It's on.
Okay, and now I got the egg. And the bacon.
If you're familiar with having fried shrimp at a restaurant where they have the horseradish and ketchup sauce to dip in, these will be 10 times better and more tender. They're delicious. And last we do the chicken.
Make sure even flour. Get the egg.
Same technique that we used on the onions and the shrimp. And this is how you make chicken katsu with added onions and shrimp today. Let's start frying. First thing she put in today are the onions in a really hot oil. 350 to 375. As you can see, they brown quickly. They don't take long. Turning often, and it takes about 3 minutes. They should be golden brown. The onions are done. Now we're going to cook she's going to cook the shrimp. I'm doing nothing. And those shrimp are so good. Cook them the same way as the onions until they get brown, about 3 minutes or so. Okay, while you're waiting for the shrimps to cook, have a sip of wine. Pretty good?
Good.
Shrimp is done. Everything's nice and golden.
Now we
Next.
go for chicken.
Chicken time.
Chicken Katsu.
The main purpose of this video is chicken katsu. But if you're going to fry in oil, you might as well make a couple of other items. Which we did. Shrimp and onions. And the onions are good. I must be hungry today. Everything I'm saying is good. As always, be careful with oil. It's very hot.
There's the onion. There's the shrimp.
Chicken katsu probably takes just a little bit longer than the vegetables. So probably 4 minutes or until golden brown. Chicken katsu typically is cut into pieces. Yeah, looks good.
And we have a sauce. See here?
It's on. You can put sauce, or you can put your own
Tartar sauce.
tartar sauce or the horseradish sauce with ketchup. There it is. Once again, Kiyoko's Kitchen. Easy, you can make it too. Please subscribe.